If you're tired of struggling with stubborn tires, you're in the right place. Today, we'll be reviewing the best motorcycle tire changing tools of 2025. We've carefully selected the top 5 kits based on build quality, ease of use, durability, and real customer feedback. Whether you're working on motorcycles, dirt bikes, ATVs, or even lawn tractors, these tools will make tire changing faster and easier. All the product links are listed in the description below. Let's jump right into the list. Number 1, Orion MotorTech, tire changing tool for motorcycle. Kicking off our list is the Orion MotorTech 20-piece tire changer kit. This all-in-one set includes 3 extended tire spoons, rim protectors, a valve removal tool, valve accessories, and a handy storage bag. The 11.5-inch spoons give you extra leverage while the PVC handles reduce slip and fatigue. Plus, the CRV steel with chrome finish ensures long-lasting performance without bending or corrosion. Best of all, the smooth rounded edges and rim protectors prevent scratches, making this kit a perfect all-around solution for motorcycles, ATVs, and even lawn equipment. Number 2, Dr. Rock Motorcycle Tire Changing Tools. Next up, we have the Dr. Rock Tire Tool Set, a favorite among riders who want reliable performance at an affordable price. This kit includes 3 strong tire spoons, rim protectors, 6 tire valve stems, and a 4-way valve tool with caps, all packed in a black Oxford carrying case. Made from drop-forged steel with a polished chrome finish, these spoons are rust-proof and durable. The handles are user-friendly, with smooth rounded edges that make tire removal easy without pinching your tubes. If you're looking for a compact, reliable kit with everything you need, this is a solid choice. Number 3, Baja No Pinch Original Tire Changing Kit, your 17-inch version. For those who hate pinching tubes during installs, the Baja No Pinch kit is a game changer. This heavy-duty kit includes a 17-inch alloy steel tire spoon with a DuraGrip rubber handle designed specifically for motocross and dirt bikes. The innovative design makes mounting quick and hassle-free, while the silver zinc coating protects against rust. Whether you're a beginner or a pro rider, this kit saves time and keeps your tires in top shape. Number 4, Baja No Pinch Original Tire Changing Kit, 16-inch version, USA made. Coming in at number 4 is the 16-inch Baja No Pinch Original Kit, proudly designed and assembled in California. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum alloy and black oxide treated steel, this tool is built to last. It includes a robust handle, push rod, bracket, and a 20mm axle, making it compatible with 16 to 21-inch wheels. If you're serious about dirt bike racing or enduro riding, this kit is a must-have essential. It eliminates tube pinching, making tire changes faster, safer, and more reliable. Number 5, Rabiconda Motorcycle Tire Changer Machine. Finally, we have the Rabiconda Tire Changer, the premium option on our list. This stand is designed for dirt bikes and dual sport bikes with spoked wheels, and it's so efficient it holds the world record, changing a tire in just 44 seconds. It's ergonomic, eliminating back strain since you won't be bending over or working on your knees. Compatible with 16 to 21-inch wheels, it works on tubeless, moose, tubeless, and regular tube setups. Portable and easy to assemble in seconds, it also comes with a heavy-duty Cordura carry bag. Backed by a lifetime warranty, this is the ultimate professional-grade solution. And there you have it, the top 5 best motorcycle tire changing tools of 2025. From affordable spoon kits to professional machines, there's an option here for every rider and every budget. All the product links are listed in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our future reviews.